See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. Kigmichi don't apologize. So Kigmichi don't humble herself. Humble. Set camera. Apologize to very dark man. Now won't see for this class. So you know say where this matter started. I dey on top of the matter. It will not be good. When she don't apologize like this, I can't come off face. She don't humble herself. Say very dark man. I beg, forgive me. You don't need fight. You need supporters. You don't need people who go oppose you for this mission where you start. You need supporters. Now the matter, I want to slide for this class, okay? We'll play the video. With the listing, I go the listing. I go the interpret. Hope you are ready. Let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to start.
Nigerians, I'm ready to be held accountable for my actions.
She thought say she's ready to be held accountable for her own action.
For some days, I've thought about my behavior and I know that I was wrong.
She thought say for some days she don't think about her behavior. She don't realize say she did wrong. Okay.
And I want to be held accountable for the substance I took on live video.
She thought say for the thing when she drink online, when she did do live video, that thing when she drink, say she won't come apologize. Okay.
That was very wrong of me.
Say the thing did very wrong of her.
There are young girls that are looking up to be me one day, and I know I disappointed a lot of people, and I'm choosing life. That was wrong of me.
She thought say they get many small children when they look up to her. Say she did very wrong. She knows say she disappointed a lot of people.
Wrong. And my boss, ST, I'm so sorry. I know I apologized privately.
She thought say she get one boss. What they call ST. Say she did very wrong. Say she knows say she don't apologize privately. No be openly. Say she they use this one. They apologize openly again. Say she did very sorry.
Well, I did not disrespect you privately. I disrespected you publicly.
She thought say she no disrespect this person. Privately. Say now publicly he disrespected him.
So I want to apologize publicly. I'm so sorry, sir, and I want you to know that I will never take your support for granted.
Make this person know say he never take support for granted. Support where this person they support her, Say she has never taken it for granted.
I've never taken your support for granted, and I will never take your support for granted.
She has never done it. She will never do it. This person really they support her the way she they stress her like this.
And to the owner of Ife, I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for bringing your name into this.
She thought say for Oni of Ife, say she did very sorry for bringing his name into the scandal. She did sorry. She's on her knees, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
And to the very dark man.
And to the very dark man.
My brother, I see what you're fighting for.
He said she don't see what BDM they fight for. They say what papa and mama they see when they sit down. Pikin, even though he or she go climb tree, no go see amu. Remember say, Michi mama thought say very dark man a good person. They call the argument. We saw the video.
Very dark man is a content creator. Mommy.
My daughter, you don't monetize your page.
I never monetize. Maybe me and very dark man are different, so mommy.
It was me that told her younger brother to help us monetize our YouTube.
Mommy, very dark man is a manipulator. That's what. That's what they are saying. The very dark man is a manipulator.
They are just telling lies. They so just hate it. Leave that matter.
Mommy, you was choose between me and very dark man.
Which can't talk with that one?
Mommy, you know everything. But mommy, why you always defend very dark man against me? Why? I will tell you something.
See, let me tell you why they defend dark man. It's because
I won't come over this house because of this thing.
I would have loved to do.
What he's doing?
Yes, just as what you are doing today is what I would have loved to do, especially the foundation issue. You understand? Those are things I would have loved to do. That is what he's doing. Be a voice. Because if you're somebody who hates oppression, you understand, you cannot bear it when you see people be oppressed.
Now, she called they say, I don't see what my mama see that time. I see what you they fight for.
Fighting for Nigerians, and we can make Nigeria a better place.
That this man what they call BDM, they fight for Nigeria. That we all can make Nigeria a better place.
And I'm sorry for coming at you like that.
She said she did sorry for coming at this guy where they call very dark man like that. She's sorry.
Maybe now I understand you better because I had to step back.
She say now she don't understand very dark man better. That means before she not really understand very dark man like that. Say now she don't understand very dark man better. Make her return us more backward, make you hear clearly.
Now I understand you better because I had to step back and understand the kind of person that you are.
She step back to understand the type of person where this person be. No be the way where they hear her for some cycle.
And I see that you're fighting for a good cause.
You are fighting for a good cause, chairman. You are fighting for a good cause, okay?
For Nigeria to be better.
For Nigeria to be better. This place where they call Nigeria mean better.
Yeah, and you need more supporters.
Ayo. He say this person where they call very dark man need more supporters. See, now support he need now. This guy head full. Now support. No one distraction. Okay?
It's not people to fight you.
No be people where you come they fight her because his target is to make this place better. So this person needs supporters, not distractors, not fighters, not oppositions. Get the point now.
I'm sorry,
She said she did sorry.
my brother.
My brother.
Thank you, Nigerians.
See Nigerians, the type now.
My name is King Michi.
Say her name, now be King Michi. I beg, I wanna forgive her, okay? I forgive her. One, she humbled herself. Come wear the cap of humility. Call sit down. Set camera. Call they list out people's name. That's why I say he won't deal with very dark man. Call humble herself. Remember, BDM 101. I put her for there. I put her. Okay? I believe very dark man will not forgive her. Yes. She said something. She does say very dark man. They fight for better Nigeria. Better Nigeria. Look at this man. When he go report matter, go give very dark man. Say, his old brother won't do palm 650 million. Carry this matter to the ESCC. They don't do anything. Be like the ESCC, they fear the man. Say the man, now rugged man. Now a very dark man call the assistant. Say, who rugged person for this country? Go carry the matter on top of his head. I'm just trying to give you one instance of somebody fighting battle. When many people they oppose very dark man, no even bite. No even fit try and attempt her. They risk his life, risk everything. Go each channel, go watch the first video. More play the second video now. Say, what the ESCC no do? Investigate the matter. As he put out the first video yesterday. Now so this guy jack into action with this man. Because they say, first of all, person when he Colombia or 650 million like this, and immediately when he succeed, instead of 2 police where they gather before, he can't increase the level of security, included soldiers. Called the gather. It's type of person. People say this thing will be true. Now they go ages so. Go fast say the document was forged. What am I trying to say? Kidnichi said, I know what you fight for a better Nigeria, free of frauds. You don't need opposition. You don't need distractors. As you say, these guys, they go ages, go verify this document. Somebody called bring unnecessary distraction. We will go each channel, go play that video to see what Kimichi just talk and say, this person, they fight for better Nigeria. The man don't give a kobo. This man don't pay a kobo. Go and watch the first video. He even ask the man, did you give me any kobo? The man say no. Carry the matter, left everything where they do. They fight another man's battle. Where Ato Eze fights more. Come more hard for the matter. ESCC, come more hard for the matter. Say no, you must recover your money. This one I do. More see. This one I very dark my page. Okay? We go watch this video right from his channel. You feel go his channel. Go watch the previous video before this. Okay? That is this particular one. If you go watch this one. Now here you go get the real gist. But now the update I will play for us for this class. Okay?
So, in respect to my last post that I made, how this man sitting beside me, Mr. Ifeanyi Mudezu, paid 650 million naira to Mr. Ogwejiofo Chukwudi Augustine, popularly known as Onwa Enugu. He paid him 650 million naira for a land in Wuye that Mr. Onwa claimed to own. We have just discovered something now. Now, this is the RFO, the right of occupancy that he issued to Mr. Ifeanyi Mudezu before Mr. Ifeanyi Mudezu paid for the land. Only to discover that this land, I've just discovered that this land belonged to the Libyan embassy. Can you just imagine? He claimed that this land was sold to him by the Libyan government, not knowing that he forged these documents and he gave it to this man. Can you just imagine?
He forged the document and gave it to this man. This man reported to the ESCC. They don't investigate like this. You see why he talk say, I don't discover say, you don't need distractors. You need supporters for a better Nigeria.
We have been up and doing since the early hours of today.
He thought it's money. They waka for this matter. Let everything when they do just for a better Nigeria. For another person, may no cry. That type of person no need distractor. He needs supporters.
To verify this, and we have just verified that he forged it. So, meaning his lawyer that went with this man's lawyer, and this man's lawyer is the relative. You say
his wife, brother.
Is the brother to Onwa's wife.
Now, the understand so? The victim get lawyer. The lawyer where they represent the victim is connected to the accused. The lawyer
that went with this man's lawyer, and this man's lawyer is the relative. You say
his wife, brother.
Is the brother to Onwa's.
This man get wife. Okay? He and this one, they be siblings. See so? So, now family people. Should I do it like this now? Did this man like this? Money come up for a pocket. You get the point now. More listing.
Wife. They went together and they claim that they went to go and verify this at Aegis.
Okay?
Not knowing that these people went to the back and they are all together in this business to defraud this man. So this is forgery. Under the penal code of section 362, now 14 years for forgery. 14 years for forgery. This innocent man, Igbo to Igbo, this one not be saying your own brother. Your own brother. Your own brother. This man have gone to EFCC. EFCC, when I don't see forgery. Did you people not see forgery? He went to EFCC. Nothing was done. They wrote a petition to the chairman of EFCC. They wrote a petition to him. Nothing was done. EFCC did not do that. Forgery. This document is out of hole when they collected 750 million. They went to actualizing. Nothing was done. Hoping the authorizing will use his influence to tell him how to bring this money. Nothing was done. So the man forged document. So this is going to the Inspector General of Police. We'll take it up. I thought the land was even genuine. I thought he was just trying to be, make more money from him. I didn't know that this document, this land is forged.
You see so?
Libyan government. You want to sell Libyan government land.
You dey hear so?
You are trying to defraud the Libyan government. You are using this to defraud it.
Una dey hear so?
Don't worry. New IG don't come. New IG don't come. New IG don't come.
That's what Kigmichi say. She don't discover something. Say this person no need oppositions. Needs what? Supporters. Because only him know if he fight this battle for a better Nigeria. What do you think? Drop up a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.